welcome back to my new YouTube channel
बस second
TN
में खाली
Crypto.
दिखा दें।
So guys, I will talk to you about the new website and the link of the website you
यार।
can find in our description box and comment area. So guys, the name of this website is Bitcoin
जहाँ जहाँ
Penguins.
ले जा रहे हैं
So guys, here there are many options are there: competition, websites, tokens,
अरे
roadmap,
रोके हैं,
staking,
एक जगह
and
पर।
white paper. So Bitcoin Penguins, you can see once upon a time deep in the features link, one करे group of engineers realize something epic is coming, and now you can options here resale closing in a 6 days, resale 27th August, listing second chapter. You can say here the connect how to connect, but I will talk you about this website in this video. So guys, about Penguins, our company meet the friendliest world Bitcoin. These cute birds have been staking it since 2023, and the next Pudgy Penguins launches. You can see here many options are there: coin codex and block medias, Bitcoin Penguins, and Bitcoin Penguins get viral. You can coin readers, and this is the next mains coin range, coin Pandia, and the blockchain of is the next. And you can see here one BTC jackpots per week, and there are options of enter now and
कम रो कर है तो हुआ
check,
ज़्यादा देर लगे तो
this is the your Bitcoin skills. You can see and understand about this website, and there are on you can see big words. There are many options. Connect by your wallet, choose your network, choose a currency, approve invalid, stay on page, DEX settings, claim your tokens. There are many options, and now you can token no means 30 days resale, can and listing to September, stage, price, sold out, and you can check percentage, allocation, scale, staking, and you can roadmap. 30 days in place, pre-sales, March of the Penguins and Global Penguins Nemia stake sold, and you can see data about the Bitcoin Penguins. What will spend you be for? Stage calculate, you pay and you receive. There are many stage 14, stage 15, and cash return percentage. You can see 5%, and the price. You can staking, draw 1 month lock and 2 month lock, 3 month lock, unlock on the 2nd September, 100% apply. Connect wallet of this website. Now you can see here connect list. Connected wallet, there are two options are the EVM and Solana. So guys, you can this option connect wallet, click on the again, click on the wallet options. Now you can see here scan this QR and with your phones. So guys, I will scan, then you have been successfully. Now you can check here again our call on this. See here token nomics 30-day resale, claim and listen on to September. There are two of clay staking and 1 month lock, unlock to another stake. Now stake your Penguin token to earn rewards. Select pool like as face, and many options are there. Second option is 80% apply and 100% apply, and third option is third month of lock. Stake amount. Now you can put your amount, and now you can see here current price of the Penguin. Now you can you pay and you receive like as there are many any amounts you can fill, and now you can see how many receipts Penguin in this website. Suppose any amount like as any amount like as 0.10. Now you can receive 55 and 55,567 you can receive. Now you can like just one amount. I will fill amount 10 USD. Now you can receive 55,567 pen you can receive, and now you can check here pen official telegram. There this is the
बस मैं कहाँ जाऊँ
customer service. You can face any type of problem, you can contact. Now you can what do you want to public and private network to access this app again with a latest platform. कोई